Dito tayo ano lagi.
Dili show. Dili show, boss.
Boss pa.
Ito ang ito, tingnan eh. Ito, so nyo to.
Show.
Show, alas 3 tong show, no?
Show te.
Behind the scene.
Smile, babe.
Mama, kasi. May tubig.
Lah. Nah, pasti Berwin kita.
4 pa man di ay.
Sino na?
Unsa?
Bago kayo.
Unsa lagi?
Rock. Oh, dito.
Ano dito tinuod? See? Highly dangerous.
Highly dangerous. Do not fly.
Kita ka sa crocodile bee? Ala. Makara sa videohan. Ay, di koy. Walk pa lang mali. Way kuan, way assurance.
Baakan ka na gamay.
Tinay, murag hindi ko kayo tungkol sa bildong.
Baakan ka na.
Buka di sana lang.
Indo, ulo, kana. Oh, nara.
Uy, kanak ko.
Eli, think it's hungry for you. Eli. Oh, wait.
Oh.
Tingnan si Marga, mechanical ko na exact.
Nakikita ang cookie, lami mo nisa. Oh, lami.
Oh, yung gawas oh.
Uy.
Buwan na ba?
Nasa crocodile bee.
Ano may tao sa
Si tao. When someone doesn't listen to that,
Get attacked.
Kita mo na. Lagi na something may tabog yun.
palagi na wala pa nakalapit.
Feeling na ako yun nga murag bukalit rin ni siya og
Ambak sa imo tuod.
it's a really big crocodile. Yeah, but it can't catch you.
Eli, you wanna ride? Let's go. Oh, mo lagi. Yummy goodness.
Well, it's so good na feeding show.
It's a feeding show.
We did that before.
You remember doing that before, Eli? No.
It's really real.
Tipon. Sembilan, weh. Saya nggak nih dong. Iya. Ini di bedong. Six. Amigo. Amigo.
Who wins the basketball game? It's alright, Azul. So, Trainer Christy, you lost this game. What can you say?
Oh, the Trainer Cat, we won!
objects of this game is the first bird who drops all 3 rings into the bowl. The fastest is the winner, and that is a race.
So girls, remember that blue and boys get 1 point already. So this time, let's cheer loud of Queen Azul. And let's do it to win the race. Now guys, are you ready for the second round? Alright, girls ready. Train is ready. Set, go, let's go blue, let's go Azul. So first ring by blue. Girls, cheer girls. Hey, what's this? Azul just picked 3 rings. Nakakawin here on team girls. So trainer Kama, do you see that 3 rings? What can you say? We got you go.
Girls, did we cheat? No! We're great.
So also around that and Azul. Now this time I need 1 out of So can you introduce yourself first?
Hello everyone, my name is Christian Pt.2 from Morning City, Leyte, the city of beautiful people.
So any last word to say?
Ladies and gentlemen, just believe in ABC. A, B, believe, and C, claim it.
Wow, so whatever happened now, don't more or swing your arm. Now let's call it our Honeyberg Blue. So blue back at the table. Slide back to the table and mom blue wants to. There you go to donate your money. As a mom, are you okay? You donated your money. No hard feelings. Seems okay, mama. Let's settle now. This time, figure out 500 pesos mo ito. That's 51. Return your money or no one's up to you first here. And please stand up there and follow your So it's yourself. And please follow up the media agreement that copy from screen. So guys, and that was our vote team. Now let's go birds.
Oh, it's going to Philippines!
So with your cat is Janet, with your Mary is Goldie.
Pipi. Yeah. Pipi.
So let's start with your cat. There is our green wing for Janet. As you can see, this
Pipi's
is
next.
our
Pipi.
image. Your wings and tail are blue and green. This white with face striped with small red feathers. So Bandit's scientific name is Aura Cruz. So Bandit, say hi to everyone. Say hi. So is everybody saying hi? So next, feature Christy is our blue and gold macaw body. So blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue.
Pipi.
A solid yellow earrings and green. Her eyes and beak are solid black. So this bird can be found in Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. But here in Cebu, we have 3 blue cross. So earlier, doing basketball, what was it? Blue and sea azul. And this scientific name is Arana. So guys, you see, people are high, so I
Yeah.
There you go. Now flex na ang wings ni Goldie. Flex wings, Goldie.
Pipi.
There you go. So last thing with Jenner Mary is our blue named parrot named Ushi.
Eli.
So blue named parrot can be found in many Philippines. They're locally known as
Oh, Pipi.
So if
Pipi.
familiar with the bird, so mauna ang bird na suluyo. Good for shade, shelter, and a good place for nest. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruit, so let's shape better. So intelligent rat or rat lost for better. See, yes, the future. You can do it, Goldie. So Goldie, find the little object. So Goldie, searching, scanning, scout, using your psychic power. Oh, 6, 6, 6, 7. There you go. She found it. So round off the psychic bird. Goldie. So their Christy is now, which your Mary is Tweety and your cat is Nigel. So let's start in the middle, which your Mary is our sulfur dress, Tweety and Nigel. So Tweety prepared as a yellow dress, but Nigel has our your Christy is our woman. Can be found in Southeast Asia, Australia. Yeah. So Australia are the sea eagle or the red-backed sea eagle. But here in the Philippines, they're called Banong or Lawin in the Visayan region. So that's it, our growing kind na. So if familiar mo ng eagle, so mga ang eagle na show sa logo ni Kuya Kim na mata ng Lawin. Next is our bowfin serpent eagle. Ready?
There's a bird right there. Right there.
Philippine serpent eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. Its vertical habitat of the woodland and forest. The special of the serpent eagle because of its powerful body and breathing. So the body has no animals, snake, and product. So that's it, our hoping serpent eagle Freddy. To compare Freddy and a Philippine eagle, so Philippine eagle are 3 times larger than Freddy. So before we go to our biggest doctor, eagle, Agi, look to your left.
Oh, it looks like he's gonna fly there. Woo-wee! Uh-oh.
It's great for habitat of woodland and wetlands. The wingspan of this bird can be up to 2.2 meters, and they are the second largest raptor. Ito na sa mga kaya minahangin ng baka. Okay, for the safety for everyone, please settle down.
Oh, Eli, what's that? It's gonna fly over. Phoebe, look.
The bird will be outside to get catch their prey up to 30 to 100 miles per hour. nakahilo ng t-shirt, please settle down ma'am. For safety ma'am, please settle down. Thank you. As you can see, our trainer are using a net to protect us the large talon and beak. So the birds of prey, female eagle, are much larger than the male because of their nesting position. So the wild they hunt fish, sea turtle, and sea eel. So that's it, our white-bellied sea eagle, Agi. So lastly, for flying bird, look to your left. As a in our homing pigeon. So homing pigeons is ability to come back home from the mate and nest. That's specifically called to reception, meaning that they earn back the field to find direction, attitude, and location. So bisag asa ka na sila manglupa o magtuyo, kung balik ka na din ang asa sila. So that's it, our homing pigeon.